Learning shapes. Let's explore different shapes we see every day. What are shapes? Shapes are forms that have different sides, corners, and sizes. Shapes name: circle, square, and triangle. Circle, no sides, no corners. Example, clock and ball. Square, 4 equal sides, 4 corners. Example, window, box. Triangle, 3 sides, 3 corners. Example, roof, pizza slice, etc. Can you find shapes? Can you find the shapes in the house picture? Do their name match their shapes? Draw shapes: circle, triangle, and square. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.